Okay, we're gonna check on the babies. Oh, they're sleeping. Hi, babies. Let's see. Hi. That one's a fawn runner, I think, or something. I don't know. Hey. Hi, guys. Hi. You gotta try to give them the... Not be too scaredy at first. Hi. Hello. Little guys. We're gonna keep your light on for a little bit, get nice and warm. How's your food? Let's check their food. Water's good. We got plenty of water. And we got plenty of food. Let's move this up here so we can see a little bit better. Alright, they got some pretty killer digs here. They're flat brothers, or sisters actually. There we go. Alright, kids, you have a good night. I'll check on you a little bit later. It'll be dark out later when I do, but there you go. Night, kids. Alright, we're secure. They're in for the night. Man, they're cute.